What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Make to automate your everyday tasks. So if you already have an account, you can just simply log in or just click on Get Started for free. After that, sign up with a new account. Just type in your name, your email and your password and then the hosting region in your country. Then just simply click on Sign up for free. After signing in, it will say to check your email to verify your account. So just simply go to your Gmail account and then verify your account. So as you can see, Make has sent me an email to verify. After verifying, it will ask you to sign in again for the same email that you used and the same password you entered. Just simply enter the email and the password and just click on sign in. And then here Make will ask you some questions like how did you hear about Make? Simply click on Other, or how would you describe your experience with automating workflows? I'll just click on I have no experience. Size of organization only me. And then it will ask you what are some of the apps you want to automate. So, for example, I'll just select Google Sheets and Gmail, and then I'll just click on OpenAI ChatGPT and I'll just hit continue. And then it will ask you that what do you want to automate with Make. Just simply enter a prompt that whatever you want to automate, just simply give it the prompt and just click on get started. So as you can see, I have given the prompt to automate my email and filter my emails based on that. Then I'll just click on get started. So here I am at the welcome page of Make. Here it says to select a trigger and to select an action. For this, I'll select Gmail and here Gmail too. So basically, this automation watches my emails and also sends an email, whichever I permit. So this is how you can create multiple scenarios, and in one scenario, you can automate multiple tasks. So this is how you can automate your daily tasks or repetitive tasks in Make. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.